Hello and welcome to Business Analytic. I am Sweetie Kumari. I would like to appeal all our viewers to stay safe from the ongoing COVID pandemic. Remember to wear face mask, wash your hand and face regularly and maintain physical distancing whenever you step outside. Remember, we are still in the mid of pandemic and the simple precautions we all can take to defeat COVID-19. So today we are having with us Mr. Sukhdev Marandi and Ms. Anupama Topo, the company head of Angel Food Private Limited, with their different manager, Vinny Soy as an operating manager, Gautam Razak as a finance manager, and Ayush Basilsa as a investing manager. So can you introduce about your company?
Angel Private Limited is a food industry. It was founded in 1989. We basically manufacture different items of foods like snacks, sweets, frozen foods, and potato chips. As a manufacturer, we always try to produce good quality of products since consumer is the main priority of our company.
So what makes your company work so smoothly? We want to know what is the reason behind it.
It's all because of cash flow statement. Cash flow statement states from where the cash is generating, which balance sheet does not show at all. Balance sheet shows what a company has owned in form of assets and liabilities.
So we would like to know what is the purpose of cash flow statement in the company.
So cash flow statement is a statement showing inflow and outflow of cash during a particular period of time. In other words, it is a summary of sources and applications of cash of a particular span of time. It also analyzes the reasons for changes in balances of cash between two balance sheets. So basically, a cash flow statement includes those items which affects cash. So talking about the purpose or the objective of cash flow statement. Cash flow statement is generally prepared to provide information regarding sources and uses of cash from different activities, that is, from operating, financing and investing activities.
How does your company obtain its cash and from where does your company spend its cash?
We raise cash from equity capital and debt capital by issuing shares and borrowing money from the lenders. We spend cash in such a way that it generates more cash. We spend cash in bonds and securities of other companies. In fact, we keep some part of cash in bank and keep some part for the use of research and development so that it can help in the productivity of the company and helps to generate more profit.
So do you think cash flow statement is important in your company?
Yes, definitely. Cash flow statement is important for any organization as it is useful for short-term financial planning, also for preparing and comparing cash budget so that the company would know to what extent the financial resources has been generated.
So how your company increase your cash flow?
Basically, there are many ways of increasing cash flow, but we increase cash flow by financing or using interest-free credit card payment platform, and also through account receivable, where we give customer an early payment discount so that they can pay on time.
So we would like to know, is there any difference between cash flow and fund flow statement?
So the main difference between cash flow statement and fund flow statement is that cash flow statement shows the changes in the cash positions of a company, that is inflow and outflow of a company, whereas fund flow statement shows the ups and downs of a financial position of a company or the changes in the working capital of a company.
Would you like to share some latest cash flow statement of your company?
Yes, definitely. And for this, I would like Vinny Soy, Gautam Rajak and Basil Aisha to present our company's cash flow statement.
Our company is running its operating activity quite efficiently because it has managed to increase its cash flow from operating activities from 6,962 crores in the year 2020 to 9,309 crore in 2021, which indicate that the company is able to generate positive cash flow to maintain and growth its business operations. Also increase in cash flow from operating activities due to the fact that its turnover has also increased from 46,713 crore in the year 2020 to 49,965 crore in 2021. Increase in cash flow from operating activities show that the company has managed to exercise proper control on its inventory and trade receivables.
Our company has outflow from financing activities of 4,174 crore in the year 2019 and 4,574 crore in the year 2020. Outflow from financing activities is due to the fact that the company has paid huge amount of dividend amounting to rupees 4,148 crore in the year 2019 and rupees 4,772 crore in the year 2020. Dividend in both this year has been paid out of the cash inflow generated from operating activities.
Cash flow from investing activity is negative during the last 2 years. Cash outflow was 2,823 crore in the year 2019, which rose to an outflow of 4,823 crore in 2020, which means our company has been investing more and more fund in fixed asset, which facilitate the business to earn more profit, which indicates a sign of growth for any business. However, investment in fixed asset should be financed mainly through long-term fund, otherwise the company may face shortage of working capital.
So, from the latest summary of cash flow statement, we may conclude that the business of Angel Food Private Limited is doing well and the company has a bright future. The company is following a liberal policy regarding the payment of dividend. So, thank you and keep watching Business Analytic.